Listen up. If you've ever felt that sharp, burning pain in your toe or your joints out of nowhere, like someone just stabbed you with a tiny piece of glass, that might be gout. And here's the crazy part. It all starts with too much uric acid building up in your body. But the good news, you can actually fight it with the right foods. Yep, simple everyday foods that help lower uric acid, reduce flare-ups, and keep you moving without pain stopping you. So let's break down the top 8 foods that help lower uric acid naturally so you can feel better, move better, and kick gout's butt. All right, let's kick this off with a total game changer. Cherries. These little red powerhouses aren't just a sweet summer snack. They're one of the most researched foods for fighting gout. Cherries are packed with something called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help calm inflammation and may actually block the enzyme your body uses to make uric acid in the first place. People with gout have reported fewer flare-ups when they add cherries into their routine. And studies show that cherries may help stop those painful uric acid crystals from building up in your joints, especially the feet and ankles where gout loves to strike first. You've got options too. Fresh cherries, frozen cherries, cherry juice, even tart cherry extract. Super easy to add to your day. Just a small serving, like half a cup of cherries or a cup of cherry juice, might make a real difference. But here's where it gets interesting. Because the next food isn't sweet at all, yet tons of people swear it helps lower uric acid fast. Now, this one might surprise you. Apple cider vinegar, something a lot of people already keep in their kitchen, can actually help your body handle uric acid better. It's known for helping balance the body's pH levels, which may help dissolve uric acid so it doesn't settle into your joints like tiny razor-sharp crystals. A lot of folks with gout swear by a simple routine, mixing a teaspoon or 2 of ACV into a big glass of water and drinking it before meals. It's a super easy habit, and many people say it helps reduce stiffness and that intense throbbing pain during flare-ups. Plus, apple cider vinegar can support digestion and detoxification, giving your kidneys a little extra help clearing out waste, including uric acid. Just don't go overboard. Start small and see how your body reacts. But if you think vinegar is helpful, wait until you see how the next everyday food group supports lower uric acid and stronger joints at the same time. Okay, get this. Milk, yogurt, and cheese aren't just delicious. Research shows that low-fat dairy products can actually help lower uric acid levels in the blood. They contain proteins that help your kidneys flush that extra uric acid out more efficiently. And here's the bonus. Dairy has anti-inflammatory benefits that can help calm those irritated joints. A lot of Americans already enjoy dairy daily. Think a cup of low-fat yogurt for breakfast or a glass of skim milk with dinner. Just 2 to 3 servings a day might help reduce the chances of gout attacks and keep things moving smoothly in your joints. And don't worry, this isn't about giving up flavor. There are tons of tasty low-fat options that still feel satisfying, especially if you're trying to cut back on richer, high-purine foods like red meat. But the next one, this is something almost every American starts their day with, and yes, it may actually help with uric acid too.
All right, coffee lovers, this one's going to make your day. That morning cup of coffee that helps wake you up, it may also help reduce uric acid levels. Studies have shown that regular coffee drinkers tend to have a lower risk of gout. And it's not just the caffeine. Coffee also contains chlorogenic acid, which may help increase how much uric acid your body gets rid of through urine. So yeah, your daily brew might actually be doing double duty, boosting energy and supporting joint health. But here's the catch. Too much caffeine can dehydrate you, and dehydration is a big trigger for gout flare-ups. So keeping it balanced is key. About 2 to 4 cups a day is a good sweet spot for most people. Now, speaking of hydration, nothing beats the most essential drink on the planet for flushing out uric acid. This one might seem obvious, but it's absolutely huge. Water is your body's #1 defense against uric acid buildup. When you're not drinking enough, uric acid becomes more concentrated in your blood, and that's exactly when those painful crystals start to form in your joints or your kidneys. But when you stay hydrated, you give your kidneys the power to flush out uric acid before it causes trouble. Think of water as the ultimate detox tool. Simple, cheap, and super effective. Most people should aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And if you're active, sweating, or drinking coffee, you probably need even more. A good rule, keep a water bottle with you and sip all day long. Your joints will thank you. Now, the next food group doesn't just help your uric acid levels, it supports your overall health in a big way, especially blood sugar and inflammation. Whole grains are like a two-for-one deal when it comes to lowering uric acid and boosting overall health. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, quinoa, and barley are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help your body work better from the inside out. Here's the key part. Whole grains can improve insulin sensitivity. And insulin plays a major role in how your body handles uric acid. When insulin is out of balance, often from eating too many sugary, refined foods, uric acid levels tend to rise. But whole grains help keep your blood sugar steady and inflammation down, which may help prevent those painful gout flare-ups. Replacing refined carbs like white bread and regular pasta with their whole grain versions is an easy swap that pays off fast. Better digestion, better joint support, and a healthier lifestyle overall. But up next is one of the most powerful antioxidants your body needs, and it comes from some of the most colorful foods you'll ever put on your plate.
Now here's where it gets colorful, literally. Vitamin C is a superstar when it comes to lowering uric acid levels. This powerful antioxidant helps your body excrete uric acid more efficiently while also protecting your joints from oxidative stress and inflammation. Think vibrant fruits and veggies, oranges, grapefruits, strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, and even pineapple. Just adding a few servings of these each day can make a noticeable difference in uric acid levels and overall joint health. And if you prefer supplements, that's an option too. Just check with your doctor for the right dosage. For most adults, about 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily hits the sweet spot. Vitamin C doesn't just fight uric acid, it boosts your immune system, keeps your skin and joints healthy, and supports energy levels. Basically, it's an all-around win for your body. And finally, we've got a snack that's crunchy, satisfying, and surprisingly helpful for gout. All right, let's wrap this up with one of the easiest and tastiest ways to support lower uric acid levels: nuts. They're low in purines, packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Basically a powerhouse snack for your joints and overall health. Studies even show that eating just 10 grams of almonds before breakfast every day can lower uric acid levels over time. Other great options include walnuts, cashews, flax seeds, and Brazil nuts. They help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and may even improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Just a heads up, nuts are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. A small handful a day is enough to reap the benefits without worrying about weight gain. So there you have it, the top 8 foods to naturally reduce uric acid, prevent painful gout attacks, and keep your joints feeling better. Incorporate these into your diet, stay hydrated, and pair them with healthy lifestyle habits for the best results. And remember, this isn't the replacement for medical care. Always check with your doctor if you have gout or any health concerns.